Okay, in this lesson, I'm in this corner because there is information in the other corner. Another information. Am I an information? Okay, too much philosophy for present tense. Present continuous tense also can be used for present simple tense meaning, which means everything is simple because there is just one rule to rule them all, to tell everything you want in simple tense. And that rule is adding your at the end of a verb. And you are talking in simple tenses. Examples. O şimdi bir film izliyor. He now a film watching. Like literally. He's right now watching a film. İzle. İzleden, from izle becomes izliyor. And actually, let's start to a little see vowel narrowing. Here, you can see A, E, O, U narrows down to U, I, U, Ü. A becomes Ü, E becomes I, O becomes U, Ö becomes Ü. How? You see, they are actually narrower than the left. A is narrower than Ü. E narrower than I. Pardon, I is narrower than Ü. E. O, U, Ö, Ü. I is narrow. U is also like one line. And the way we speak also shows that they are narrow. A, Ü, E, I, O, U, Ö, Ü. This is the narrowing. So, geliyor. After E, there is I. Comes to merge verb and the suffix of continuous tense. There is just an I. Because geliyor, yapıyor is not comfortable. But yapıyor is like flowing easier. Yapıyor. Yatıyor. Laying. Yatıyorum. I am laying. Here, let's come back to the watch. İzle. I am watching. You are watching. He is watching. Da. Ben izliyorum. I am watching. Sen izliyorsun. You are watching. O izliyor. Biz izliyoruz. Siz izliyorsunuz. Onlar izliyorlar. And here also we don't need to say ben, sen, o, biz, siz, onlar. Like I, you, we. Because at the end of the sentence you actually say this. Geliyorum. I am coming. Geliyorsun. You are coming. Geliyor. He is coming. Geliyoruz. We are coming. Geliyorsunuz. You guys are coming. Geliyorlar. They are coming. Yorlar. Just lar. Add. Simple. Easy. GG. Okay. O bir kitap okuyor. He is reading a book. O bir kitap okuyor mu? O bir kitap okuyor mu? Is he reading a book? It's just mu makes the sentence a question. How simple is that? in this also there is the vowel harmony. It can be mu, mu, mu, mu, me, like that. But you will learn this rule. Now you are just learning other things. How Turkish language functions. And you're practicing, getting familiar with practicing and practicing what you got familiar. Alright, how to form the verbs. Okumak, yes, here there is the explanation. You can read later if you need. I already explained it. Negative is oku, muyor. Mu, mu, I'm mu, me, mu, mu. You add it between the verb and the suffix. Yes, vowel harmony. Everything comes to the vowel harmony, but still you should learn all of the remaining stuff. Using the same example with oku, to read. Okumak is to read, actually. Oku is just read. Present continuous form, okuyor, is reading. And also, if you just add değil at the end of the sentence, isn't. So, okuyor değil. He isn't reading. I wouldn't say he is reading. Kind of like that. And yeah, there are more examples with negative of present continuous tense, which you can do. Me, me, me, me, me, mu, mu, mu, mu. Yes, this is the continuous tense.